Hey everyone! Welcome back to Technify. DJI fans, hold on tight because the latest leak has just set the drone and camera community on fire. A prototype photo of what's rumored to be the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has surfaced, and it's already creating huge waves of excitement. This isn't just another routine upgrade. This could be a real leap forward in the world of compact filmmaking. Now, let's break down what makes this leak so fascinating. The first prototype we glimpsed teased the Pocket 4 branding but kept the camera setup hidden, leaving us guessing. But the newest leak flips the story completely. This time, the branding is gone, and instead, we get a crystal clear look at the actual camera design. And trust me, it looks different, in the best way possible. Two distinct camera modules sit on the design, with a smaller auxiliary sensor on the left and a larger powerhouse lens on the right. This isn't about stereo vision. It's a smart, asymmetrical combo that could unlock depth-enabled features, intelligent subject tracking, and even cinematic tricks we haven't seen before on a handheld gimbal camera. The Pocket 4 looks slimmer, sleeker, and more compact than its predecessor, and the fact that this prototype seems fully functional only adds fuel to the hype. When you look at this leak closely, one of the biggest takeaways is just how polished and streamlined the DJI Pocket 4 appears to be. Compared to the Pocket 3, this design feels more futuristic, with no exposed wiring or rough prototype edges. It already looks like something you could pick up and start shooting with. The slimmer housing suggests DJI is doubling down on portability while still aiming for pro-level results. That smaller module on the left side of the camera is what's sparking the most conversation. Many believe it's a depth sensor designed to work in tandem with the main lens. If that's the case, we could see a huge jump in features like intelligent focusing, 3D awareness, and enhanced subject recognition. Think about how DJI's drones already use multiple cameras for advanced flight features. Bringing that same tech into a handheld device could be revolutionary. Now let's talk about the display. The Pocket 4 is rumored to ship with a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, larger than the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. Not only does this give creators more space to frame shots and navigate menus, but with rumored 480 by 800 resolution and 800 nits of brightness, it could be much easier to see in bright outdoor conditions. Add in an ergonomic grip texture and improved button layout, and this device could feel just as good to use as it is powerful to shoot with. On the imaging side, expectations are high. A 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens is said to be at the heart of the Pocket 4, promising sharper images, richer detail, and better performance in low light. The ISO range could go up to 6,400 for video and even higher for stills, making it a reliable tool in challenging lighting. Add in 10-bit color depth, HDR video modes, and D-Log-M support, and creators would have all the flexibility they need to push their footage in post-production. Autofocus is another area where DJI seems ready to step things up. Reports suggest phase detection and eye tracking may finally arrive in the Pocket series, which would cut down on focus hunting and keep moving subjects locked in with precision. Combine that with Active Track 7.0, a rumored new version of DJI's tracking system, and we're talking about smoother, smarter subject recognition than ever before. But stabilization might be the real headline here. The Pocket series has always been about buttery smooth footage, and if leaks are true, the Pocket 4 could bring the best of both worlds. Mechanical gimbal stabilization blended with advanced electronic stabilization algorithms. The result: ultra-stable shots even in fast-moving scenarios. Whether you're vlogging on the go, capturing action sports, or just panning quickly to keep up with the moment. And of course, we can't skip over slow motion. One of the most exciting upgrades could be 4K at 240 frames per second, doubling what the Pocket 3 could do. For creators who love cinematic slow motion, that's a serious step forward. Combine that with real-time HDR previews powered by a new processor, and you're looking at a handheld camera that doesn't just capture amazing video. It makes the entire workflow faster and more enjoyable. Altogether, the DJI Pocket 4 looks set to raise the bar in every area. Design, display, sensor performance, autofocus, stabilization, and smart features. If even half of these rumors prove true, this won't just be another upgrade. It'll be a genuine leap in portable filmmaking. So, where does that leave us? If these leaks are accurate, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just going to be a small step forward. It could be a full-blown game changer for creators. From the redesigned dual camera module to the larger rotating screen, upgraded sensor, smarter autofocus, and insane slow-motion recording, it's clear that DJI is aiming to redefine what a pocket-sized gimbal camera can do. The addition of depth-aware features, AI-driven subject tracking, and improved stabilization could make the Pocket 4 not just a tool for vloggers, but a serious creative weapon for filmmakers on the move. It's compact, powerful, and shaping up to be smarter than anything DJI has released in this category before. Here at Technify, we'll be watching every leak, every rumor, and every hint as DJI prepares its next move. The Pocket 4 is shaping up to be more than just an upgrade. It could be the start of an entirely new chapter in portable filmmaking. And if DJI's track record tells us anything, we're in for something very special. Stay tuned, because the Pocket 4 might just change the way we capture our stories.